everybody, today it's Tuesday, so there's a new Animal Company video. So yeah. Well, not video, why did I say video? A home update, and yeah. Wait, is this? No, this is the clown, the graveyard. Like the clown graveyard update. Okay, I'm not gonna look at anything. I'm just gonna look down and join a code. No one spoil anything.
Where are the heads at? I wanna eat.
Okay. As soon as I join the code. 3, 2, 1. Yo! It's pumpkin season! Holy! Pumpkin season! Bro, we got all the leaf trees, bro. We got the grass. Man, is there a new item? New. Great sword. Huh. Oh, you can hide in here. Yo. Alright, boys. Or girls, I don't really care what type of pronoun you are. So, I'm going to... Let's see. Flashlight. Hookshot. And... So, yeah, and then I'm gonna bring some guns. Alright, I feel like I'm ready. And I'm gonna go in. I'm going to a public lobby. Hey, don't look at me like that. I swear, as soon as I come out here, I see like pumpkins everywhere. I'm not even joking. Okay, I'm gonna go to... Oh, there's like ghosts. What does that say? What does that say? Taxes. I know. I don't know. Bills can be this man. Anyways, I'm just gonna get a hollow backpack. And you're probably wondering why. Yeah, why do you have a backpack? Well, I'm going to... Well, I need it because I can't have it. You know.
This new
Who wants to go
Does anybody have a flamethrower?
Okay. I'm not scared anymore. I'm a big boy.
If you put a bunch. Yes, there is.
I'm a big boy. I'm not scared anymore. I'm a big boy.
If you kill the new monster, like if you put a bunch of boats in the fire, your flashlight. Also, snowball. Okay?
Graveyard.
Snowball.
I'm
gonna do that then. I got 10 boats in my bag.
Revive me!
Yo, why
Yo,
you?
my fucking grappler will not work. It's coming to the new ogre boss. You have to go to the fire.
Yo, kill him. He's Redwatch. What the zombies are back. The zombies. They're back. The zombies are back. What the heck?
Zombie apocalypse.
The zombies are back? Yo, I'm so happy the zombies are back, bro. That was such a good game mode. Hey. Oh, shit.
Somebody just killed me, bro. It was a black guy with a revolver. That's not me. Holy shit.
Get away from me, you parasites. I'm so scared, bro. What the frick is this place?
Oh my gosh.
What is going on?
That means over here, that means you'll on the ogre monster will come. We need more backup. There's like 5 of us there.
I was down, but now anyway.
Give me all that.
That means it gave me ammo. That means I should have a gun.
I found the fire.
No, I can't find my gun.
It's fire to run out for the ogre to spawn.
I'm a dumbass. I shouldn't have dropped it. Oh well.
Yeah, guys, I found a key. Oh, I hear something. Yeah, that's when you hear that noise, that means it's about to, that's moving. You know, like, that means the fire's, running out of, same noise. Okay, don't put any boats in the fire, guys. I have, like, 10.
Oh. Huh. Well.
Yo, can I have
Give
some?
me emerald blue.
Yo, I want a gun. Blue, can I have a gun? Thank you. Can I have some shotgun ammo too? Okay, you can have that. That's empty, by the way, Blue.
I want
And
to
then-
explore
I
graveyard
can just
with me.
get ammo by shooting the zombies.
Oh, they give me my shotgun back.
Oh, bro, you have a gun right there.
Yeah, someone's here.
Okay, we just need to
I'm not scared. I'm a big boy. I'm a big boy. Big boy. Big boy. Big house.
Someone revive me!
I believe
Yo!
Oh,
Can you revive me? Can you revive me?
yeah, sure. Hold on. Okay.
Someone keeps killing me!
It's the black guy with the revolver. I know.
Yeah,
it
no,
is.
he keeps killing everyone!
I know.
Yo, there's so much
I killed him, but of course he's coming back. Oh look, it's my golden revolver. Hey, back off! Back off! Back off! Oh my God! Big boy! Big boy! Oh, yeah. No.
Help! I'm stuck in here.
Oh!
Keep going, you're just gonna...
It's like the boss.
It's black and he has
The
a
big
revolver.
man.
Stop killing people, bro. It's annoying. We're just trying to see the new Mr. President.
Hey, get away from
Wait, I'm
me!
gonna go get some boats.
You ugly, goofy, get away from me! You ugly! You ugly!
Okay, I got some boats.
Ugly, bro.
Chase down.
Oh!
Everybody.
Ah, you're gay! You're gay! All of you guys are gay!
I just
Okay.
got shotgun.
Why do I
You are
keep dropping my guns, bro?
Yo, bro, I got a key.
Yeah, the circus! The
Put them in
circus!
the doors and kill
Yo.
the monsters.
Yo! Hold on.
Hey, maybe monsters come out
How
of
do
the
you-
doors, so be
Oh,
ready
is
to
this gonna be for like next
Stuff will be inside,
Tuesday?
and we need to like gather like maybe.
Yeah, the circus. I thought maybe you had to grab that key, but oh yeah, that's for like the next update. I mean, it's kind of cool they brought back the
take it,
zombies,
but-
bro.
Skulls with the keys, and then we need little graves. But I'm about to go unlock some stuff with these.
Can someone give me a weapon?
Yeah, there's weapons on the floor, little bro. Telling us how to get the fire.
Oh, get out of that.
Wait, put that by the
Whoa.
fire! He has a skull, put that by the fire!
Oh, great.
I'm getting raped by these big monkeys.
Hey, don't say that
Put it by the
word.
fire! Or if you find a key, put it in one of the graveyards. Nope! I'm literally getting butch. I need revolver ammo. Okay, fine, I'm getting great.
Back up. Yo, back up. Yo, what the frick? What's your problem? What's your problem, man?
They don't. Oh my god, I hear him spawning. What the fuck? There's a new chest monster. There's a new chest.
Bro.
Oh yeah, I see the chest. What is it? Let's touch it.
Oh, you ugly.
Tried to kill me.
Oh.
Ah, we're getting raided by zombies! Are you guys?
Jesus! It's a zombie apocalypse! Yo, no. There has to be a martyr. There's no way.
Alright, wait. Guys, the fire's almost gone.
Stay away from me! Oh my god!
Guys, the fire's gone.
Oh, Jesus!
From the fire.
No.
Yo, can anybody give me some revolver ammo?
I don't have enough. Wait, do you want some?
Alright, I'm breeding RPGs. I'm done with this
I got
crap.
big dreams, kid.
I'm breeding
Yo, can somebody buy
RPGs.
me ammo?
Handshake.
RPG them.
Hey!
Who wants shit?
I should have probably brought the light.
Who wants? Oh, I'll help you.
Every time I dream, you're much.
Guys, don't get in there.
Got him.
What do you mean? I've literally gone in there like 20 times.
Oh, I accidentally killed someone.
Can you revive me?
Yeah, I got you.
You can go inside of it.
Oh, no, get away from me. No.
Alright, I get ammo from the war.
We got the golden head, guys. We can start the ritual.
Join my code.
We got the golden head.
No, my stomach.
My code that I can kick in if someone accidentally joins because I want to see him cry. Not to be me. Anyways. Is this the right set? Did I put it in? Yep, this is the right server. Well, guys, I think that's gonna be it for this video. I think that was just it. And I think the next Tuesday update, they're going to release the circus. Bro, I can't believe they added that back, bro. That's actually amazing. But to end it off, I don't need a glow stick. To end it off, I am going to go get my daily research points. Okay. So yeah, I like that they added, you know, like it back, like the zombies back. That was so fun. Unfortunately, they don't like have the boxes, but still though. I just, yo, is that like a new map? No, I don't know. No, I don't know where stuff is now. I don't. Is this like a new map? Or is this the forest? Is this, yeah, this is the forest. I'm gonna go with what's over here? No, I realize what that is now.